permitted. Okay.
So 2 and
Nandini, permitted amma, permitted.
thank you, sir.
Okay. What is the topic we discussed last class, amma?
Epicycloid, sir.
Epicycloid, we started. Whether I dictated problem?
No, sir, you did not dictate it.
Only I explained what is epicycloid, how exactly it is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take first problem. Epicycloid problem. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. When a ball is rolling down, ball with a diameter of, when a ball with a diameter of, last problem, cycloid, how much we've taken? 15, with a ball
50
diameter
mm,
of
sir.
40 mm. 50, we will take 40 now. Okay. With a, when a ball rolling with a 40 mm diameter, 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 avne directing circle of, directing circle of 100 mm radius, directing circle of 100 mm radius, directing circle of 100 mm radius, comma, without slipping, comma, without slipping, comma, without slipping, full stop. Name the curve, name the curve, name the curve, full stop. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal at a point, at a point, at a point, at a point 130 mm, at a point 130 mm from the center of the directing circle. 130 mm from the center of the directing circle. 130 mm from the center of the directing circle. Okay. Listen carefully.
Sir, we can see your face.
Yeah, yes, I made my face, amma. Now I will make notebook. Don't worry. I know that. So you want only to see notebook, huh? Yes.
No,
Listen.
sir, no.
Nothing. Because when dictating problem, I felt that I want to see now. What is the, yes,
Sir,
what
it's
I
dim.
want to. Yes, amma.
Dim,
What
sir,
happened?
it was not visible. Not visible, sir, clearly.
Why? Check.
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. Whenever I will zoom is a problem for you people. You have to little bit zoom cheyalama. Because now today I am in my native place. Because I made a whole setup in campus. Earlier I have set up in here, but now I shifted everything. So now listen, what are the given things? First is a rolling object. What is the rolling object dia? Rolling object, which is 40 mm dia. What I told, any object which we want to construct, it is radius. So I will convert this, I will say as a small d. Kanpadtunda? Small d. Small d is equal to 40. Small r is equal to 20 mm. Radius is 20. And capital D is not given. He given capital R. How much radius? 100 mm radius. He given only 2 dimensions we know. You see, what is the speciality? Both are radius, means both are under angular state only. So there is no question of any linear dimension. So first we will follow major dimension. First we will construct. I will always claim that as a flyover. How we will construct, because flyover is a fixed entity. You see, this is the scale. I will use 10. This is 10 mm. One more line, Amma. In problem, you have to note down. I forgotten. Without slipping tarvata, outside it, without slipping, before name the curve, without slipping, outside it. That word you have to use. That is the only word which define whether it is a epicycloid or hypocycloid, right? Noted down. What word you have to add? Without slipping,
Outside it.
outside it. Yeah, outside word is important, Amma. So that I forgotten because I dictated problem randomly. If you ask me how I have to recall that. Now it is 10. So I taken 10. So I will construct one point with a radius of 10. You see, I will draw this. This is the flyover I am drawn. So I don't know how much flyover it will go. I will extend it. See, every time I have to change my position of the camera. So now this is the flyover. Okay. Same procedure we will follow. Listen carefully here. So from which point I started? Okay. This is the point. So now listen here. What I will do, earlier I drawn the line perpendicularly. In earlier circle, how we divided? We divided circle vertically and perpendicularly into 4 equal parts. Now I will select randomly, Amma. I will select one inclined line. It is visible for you. What I am doing? I am selecting. Why I am selecting inclined line? I will tell. There is some intention in that. I have to clarify you people that doubt. Shall I draw it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I am drawing. Yes, I am drawing one line. How much it is? It is R is equal to 100. Don't write mm because everything we are taking in 100. And the point from which, from this origin, I drawn this line because I drawn this arc with a radius. So that origin is already predefined. With respect to this, I drawn. Where ball is rolling, Amma? Inside or outside?
Outside, sir.
Outside. Listen. Now I will start stretching it. Same line. Stretch this. How much I have to stretch, Amma, to get origin? How much?
50, sir.
No. How much
40,
given radius? 40.
40,
First
sir.
20. Yeah. Next 20. But I marked midpoint 20. How much radius it is? 20. Total same angle which I maintained, I stretched with 40 because I know object is rolling with a dia of 40 with a radius of, and always circle you have to draw with radius only. See that I taken 20. Now it is visible for you. I taken it is 20. This as a
somewhat
center.
upward, sir. It's
Yes, Amma?
బాగా
Yes.
జూమ్ చేసాం సార్, కొంచెం పైకనండి, బాగా జూమ్ ఉంది.
Zoom చేయాలా వద్దా?
Zoom out, sir.
Shall I? Now, but again I
Not
have
zoom
to
in,
shift.
sir.
Zoom out, sir.
నాట్ జూమింగ్ సార్.
Huh?
Zoom out.
Zoom off చేయాలా?
ఎస్ సార్, జూమ్ అవుట్ చేయండి.
Zoom out చేశాను. Okay. Now, take this as a 20 radius. Center, draw the circle. This is the circle we are drawing with a radius of 20. Where that ball is rolling, it is rolling outside it. Outside that, how much? The one point of contact is there already in cycloid. We observed point of contact is there. This is the line. Now my question is, why I extended this line, Amma? Anyone can say? I can draw randomly taking 20 and drawn, but I taken this as a line which extension. Now it acts as a vertical line. Now it acts as a
Vertical line.
vertical line, but it is inclined. But it is inclined. Vertical line does not mean it should be perpendicular. Now it is inclined. With reference to this, listen carefully. With reference to this, I will keep protractor. This protractor I will keep because I want to divide that circle into 4 equal parts. Because now this acts as a vertical line. Perpendicular to that is a horizontal. See. So now circle is divided into how many parts?
4.
4 parts. But now it acts as a vertical. Don't say that, sir, always vertical line should be 90 degree. No, it should be inclined. But that relation with that horizontal line should be 90 degree. Getting my point? So I divided. After this, what I will do? I will keep my protractor here. Now you can divide circle top or bottom. It is left to you. Now, I kept bottom, I kept target because top I don't have space. 30, 60, already 90 is there, 120, 150. I marked these 4 points because I want to divide circle into 12 equal parts. This center, this point, this matching with this, extend it. This point, join with origin, extend it. This point, join with origin, extend that. This point, join with origin, extend it. See, I divided circle into 12 parts. After this, listen, I will make it zoom. So for you people, it should, because now today I don't have white paper, Amma. So now from this point, this I will claim P. What I did in cycloid, same. Once I divided circle, the point which touch the flyover, I will take that as a point P. Now I will start naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and P is obviously the 12th point. I divided the circle into 12. Okay. Any doubts, Amma, until now? Any doubts?
Sir, length of that big line, sir.
Big
Same
line,
10.
Amma, ಇದು 100. This is 100 because that is the radius of
10
flyover.
sir.
And how much diameter of that? 40. But diameter we cannot draw circle. So I taken midpoint. Midpoint is how much? 100 plus 20. 120 is a midpoint. With respect to that, I drawn the circle. So altogether it is 140. 20 radius, 100 radius of generating circle, and rolling circle diameter is 40. 100 plus 40 is 140. Any given dimension. Here I taken ball 40. Sometimes tire wheel chooseva. Two-wheeler, scooter tire is very small. Right. When you go back to lorries, tire is very big. Radius is a variable. Width is a variable based upon load carrying capacity. So like that, here ball, which ball is rolling, all diameter will follow same principle. Only size is a variable factor. Okay. Now listen. Can I mark this as C? Okay. And that I will do later. Now tell me how much revolution it will complete, Amma? flyover is very big, but our circle is very small. So how much area it will cover to complete one revolution? One object, one circular object rolls on another circular object outside it. Can anyone tell me how much area it will cover? In cycloid, how much area it covered, Amma? Cycloid. Cycloid to complete. 2 pi r, yes. Yes, 2 pi r. Pi d. You can claim anything. 2r is equal to d. So 2 pi r or pi d. But here, can you apply this formula here? Can you apply this formula here?
Yes, sir.
No. No. Because both are circular. Both are in angular motion. Here, one is in angular motion, another in linear motion. That is a circumference, and we applied it here. This formula you have to remember. Theta is equal to small r by capital R into 360. Whenever you have two different same angular motion, then you have to use Kanpartunda. Theta is equal to small r by capital R into 360. What is the value of small r, Amma? Small r value
40.
20. Capital R 100. 360. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. 36 2s are
72.
how much? 72 degree means this ball will take 72 degree of revolution to complete one revolution. So what I will do, listen carefully. I am again shifting my from here. See carefully. I will keep my for you people. I will make it visible from O as a center. Kanpartunda O. If you see, then only you say O and this zero line. I matched. O I kept as a center, zero line. Shall I start now? Clear it is? Visible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72. This is 72. Kanpartunda 1 point mark chesanama. How much it is? How much?
72.
As per we received all value of 72, I marked 72. Any problem? Shall I
No,
remove
sir.
it? Right. Now, take that as a referendum. Join this origin. Extend it. I don't know. We will randomly extend it. Kanpartunda. I simply extend it. But somewhere it is cutting baseline. That you call it as Q. Be careful. This is Q point. Kanpartunda. I extended that line. How much value it is? How much value it is?
72 degrees.
72.
Theta is equal to 72 degree. We measured with respect to this baseline. Now it is acting as a reference line. With reference to this line, I measured 72. Now, you know 6 table? How many, if you divide this 72, how many parts I have to divide 72?
12.
12 parts. Divide 72 by 12. How much?
6.
6 degree. Very good. You know 6 table? How to divide equally? Here, there is no acute line segment. You see, again I kept 0. This 0. Start. 6. 12. 18. 24. 30. 36. 42. 48. 54. 60. And last one is 66. Already 72 line you have. Unda leda? It is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We divided 12 equal parts. 6 12 ja. 6 12 ja.
72.
72.
72. Our required path. How many parts we will divide that circle? Those many parts we will divide here. Okay. Now, what I will do? Before proceeding that, can I name this as C, Amma? This center point of the circle, can I name it C?
Okay, sir.
Okay. There in cycloid, I told CD line will play very vital role. Whether I told or not. Can you remember? What is the line which will play very vital role? Because all centers will lie on CD line only. CD line is a referendum line which defines all center points. So I taken C. What is the relation between PQ line and CD line, Amma, in cycloid? What is the relation? PQ line and CD line.
Parallel, sir.
Parallel. Very good. Here also same rule. Only difference is here these things are circular in nature, but whole procedure will remain same. Now, how to draw a CD line, C line parallel? You see, when I am trying this, take O as a center, take which line as a center? Which line?
Oh,
O. O as a center, OC as a radius. Which one?
yes, radius.
OC as a radius. Draw this circle. OC as a radius. Draw this circle up to this Q line. Up to Q line. You see, this acts as a D. This is C and this. What is the relation between PQ line and CD line now? Now
Parallel curves.
parallel curves, Amma. There it is horizontal line. Here curves are parallel. Okay. After this, once you drawn CD line, now extend this line. This is important. This division, because we want to extend up to CD line. Centers are lying on CD line only. First 6 degree with origin. Here all are inclined. 6 degree origin, you see, up to extend up to CD line. 12 degree from origin. Already points are marked. I am just passing those points. Every line, its origin start with O. O is a base from where we taken curvature. So anything we are taking inclination, origin as a referendum line. Every line I am drawing with respect to O. O is a reference. Already I divided these 12 parts. I am just stretching all the points. But I am taken these points. Why I not taken? Because initially CD line I defined, because all center points are lying on CD line. So that's why I taken this. Now, here on PQ line, name 1, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and this is 12 dash. Now here you represent C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and D is a C12 point. I named everything. Means single stretch only. Initially, I have to divide 1 dash to 12 dash. Then I have to stretch. What we did in CD line, first we marked in cycloid. First we marked 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and then we drawn perpendicular perpendicular lines. But here all are inclined. Then I felt I will minimize your burden. First I divided 12 parts. Then I marked the CD line, and up to CD line I extended. Now all center points are defined. After this, listen carefully. After that, from circle 1 point, what we did, Amma? Can anyone having idea? From just go back to your cycloid problem. I want to compare this. Only difference, they're linear angular. Here both are angular. But once we kept the object at angular, all procedure we will follow in similar way. Now what we did, Amma, in cycloid? From 1. Anyone? Any response? When PQ and CD line are parallel, what about other lines? Other horizontal lines in cycloid? Yes? Anyone? I am audible? I am audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why there is no response, Amma? How you people keep again all lines are parallel only. Parallel to PQ line. Now you see how I will try. O as a center, O1 as a radius. O1 కనపడుతుందా? On circle. If you draw 1, 9, 11 is in same line. Draw up to CD. What is this relation? Again it is parallel curve. O2, O as a center, 2 as a center. When you draw now 2 and 10 in one line, parallel. Now I want to tell. You see in cycloid, CD line and 3-9 line, what is the relation, Amma? What is the relation? 3-9 line and CD line. In cycloid, what is happening there? CD line, 3-9 line.
Coinciding.
Coinciding, overlapping, but here I separated. See, to show you people, it depends upon how you will keep. Now, CD line is separate and 3-9 line is separate. That's why I kept this object at 10 inclination. Getting my point now? To tell student that it is depends on position of the object. Every time it does not mean it has to overlap. It overlap one, both are lying in same frequency. But here I preferred at different altitudes. So that's why I kept angle. Next. Now you see, my this compass is not reaching 4. Then how to draw, Amma? I don't have big compass. I asked you people, I want compass small as well as big. This is a very big object. Here I taken 40 only. I know that is a constraint of compass. Now tell me how to reach it. Anyone can use guide me? When I want to reach from origin, I am unable to reach 4. Yes. Anyone? But don't practice what I am doing here. Remove this. Move this pencil forward. But you keep compass. Now you see. Same compass. O as a center. 4 as. Now it is reaching.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes. But don't do that. This is only for tips. Whenever you are not having any instrument, don't put blame on that. I don't have instrument. I cannot do. We can manipulate anything. Now 5. I can make anything now because I increase the size of that. 5. All I am drawing parallelly, Amma. What I did parallelly. Next 6. Now it is visible. So all lines I drawn parallelly up to CD line or PQ line. So after this, over, major path is over. Again, I will bring back my compass down as per my original requirement. Now, what is the thing? See, I will start following same CP as a radius. Now you see, I will change my camera position. What as a radius? CP as a radius. See, this is C, this is P. What is the radius, Amma? CP radius? How much?
2.
2, sir. 2.
20.
20 mm.
20. Take 20. Keep fixed. Now, radius is fixed. C1 as a center. Cut nearest to P. Be careful. So many students will say, sir, I can cut here. No, you cannot cut, because when P is a starting point, one should be next to it, not away from it. Getting my point? So C1 as a center, one line, 1, 9, 11 are overlapping. When I am talking one, I will say that as a one line only. I am not bothered about 11. So one line cut nearest to P. Any doubts? Taken same CP radius, fixed radius. C1 as a on CD line, C1 point, cut 1. Next, same radius, C2, C, cut 2 line. This is 2. C3, now you see, cut third line. They are neck to neck, but cut third line. C4, for you people it should be visible. I am keeping C4, C5, fifth line, C6, obviously it is radius. C6, it will come at top. C7, this is 7, cut 7th line. C8, cut 8th line. C9, cut 9th line. C10, cut 10th line. C11, cut 11th line. And C12, obviously it is again Q. Getting my point? I marked all the points. Carefully observe చేయండి. Now I will name them. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11. This is P12. See, I marked all the points. Same thing what I did in that earlier. Now I will join with very smooth curve. P, starting point is P. P2, P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4, P4 to P5, P5 to P6, P6 to P7, P7 to P8, P8 to P9, P9 to P10, P10 to P11, P11 to PQ, P12. See, very smooth curve. Once you got, then dark it. Once you feel, yes, nature of curve is very smooth, then dark, because that is the only thing he is asking. Draw this nature of curve. First, make rough sketch with free hand. Somebody asked me in one of the class, sir, what is the radius? No radius. It is the point to point. You have to join with a systematic smooth curve. There is no linear. It is curve. Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Wait. I will take attendance. Then I will give 2 minutes time to note down. Note down, Amma. I will give 2-3 minutes time, then we will go for tangent and normal. Jagratam cheyalama. Nothing, Amma. Here only there linear and angular combination. Here both are angular combination. Base is also angular. Rolling object is also angular. So remaining things will remain same. Note down. This formula is important. What I am telling, I am trying to do everything here itself only. You see your roll numbers to whom I given permission. But what I am observing, only few students are forwarding this. What is that? Video recordings to me. But I have roll number in attendance also. I am marking this. Every day to how many people I given permission. Yes.
Sir, sir, can you
Yes,
say last
Chapama.
arc, sir? Last arc, sir.
This
How can we cut that?
which one? This
From CP, you done arcs now, sir.
that I will tell. I will tell. You see, aim nothing, Amma. It is very simple. Take CP as a radius. See, C1 as a center. Cut one line. Cut one line. This one line, Amma. You can choose call. Numbering is important. C1 as a center, one line. C2 as a center, two line. C3 as a center, three line. See, I am targeting center 3, third line. Center 4, fourth line. ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుంది 4 అని కనపడుతుందా లేదా? You see C4, fourth line.
Yes, sir.
C5, fifth line. Radius is same. I am not changing radius. Only centers I am changing. C6, same. Then C7, seventh line. C8, eighth line. ఇక్కడ చూసుకోవాలి. 4 and 8 is same. Next. C9, ninth line. C10, 10th line. C11, 11. C12, 12. That is the only radius
Okay,
and
sir,
center.
with
Centers
CP
we are
radius,
changing.
sir.
CP has radius. Radius is fixed. Rolling object
Sir, one
radius
dash
is
center
a
or one
fixed.
dash dash center?
No.
One dash.
One dash is on PQ line. One dash is on PQ. One dash came later. One dash will only define 12 equal parts. Important is this 1 to 12 on circle object C1 to C12. This only
No,
defines
where we are taking,
12
sir,
equal.
We are taking.
CP as a chudo. See, CP as a radius. Okay. If you say yes, then I will proceed. Next.
Yes, sir.
CP as a radius, then C as a center, cut P. Already P is there. So there is no question of cutting.